What's with the rain and the human mind that even a small drizzle can break us into a soothing calm? As one stands there and watches every single raindrop hit the ground, you feel that there's nothing else that matters in life. The smell of earth that the rain brings with it, as the rustling of leaves happen alongside, you think about the mind, the thoughts that keep worrying you and that send you in a dizzy. It's only then that we realize that amidst this, all we can do is watch and observe things carefully, internalize them as